In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create amazing text effects in Canva. If you want your designs to look more polished, eye-catching, and professional, text effects are a great place to start. Canva makes this process very simple, even if you're a complete beginner. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the text editing tools and apply an effect that instantly gives your text more style and personality. To begin, go to Canva in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Canva homepage and ready to start a design. This is where you can access templates, projects, and all of Canva's built-in design tools. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The layout is designed to be beginner-friendly, so it's easy to follow along. Next, click on Create. This will open the option to start a new design. Depending on what you're making, you may see different size presets or suggested formats. Choose the one that best fits your project so you have a blank canvas or a working design where you can begin editing your text. Starting with the right design space helps your text effects look more intentional and easier to position. After that, select a text element. You can click on existing text in your design, or if you already have a text box added, just highlight it. So Canva knows that's the element you want to edit. This step is important because the text formatting options only appear when the text itself is selected. If you don't see the editing toolbar, double check that you've clicked directly on the text. Once your text is selected, click on Effects. This is where Canva gives you a range of built-in styles that can completely change the look of your words. You may see options that add shadow, curve the text, create a lifted look, or give it an outline. This panel is especially useful when you want to make titles, headings, or social media graphics stand out without needing advanced design skills. Now, select an effect. As you click through the options, Canva usually gives you a live preview, so you can immediately see how each style changes your text. Take a moment to choose the one that best matches your design. A subtle effect can make text look clean and modern, while a stronger effect can make it bold and dramatic. The key is to pick something that improves readability while also supporting the overall style of your design. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can turn plain text into something much more visually engaging in Canva.